Hey guys, if you want to create beautiful short videos for social media and YouTube in a profitable niche with a free lifelike voiceover that would amaze you, so let me show you. These such YouTube channels like this one, Wisdom in Folklores. It's based on short videos for self-improvement like a wisdom man and so on. So for example, if I play one of them like this one quickly,
After paying for her groceries, this lady was about.
or if you go to this popular YouTube channel that says Stoic Pond, you can find this amazing natural voiceover.
1. Reflect on the transient nature of life. One of the foundational pillars of Stoic philosophy.
So if you want to make these such beautiful YouTube channels in wisdom or self-improvement niche, so follow me step by step. And first of all, just head over to an AI tool like ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Qwen 2.5 to get ideas in this sub niches and get your script. So for example, in today's video I just tried this one Qwen 2.5 plus, and we just start with give me ideas and sub niches of the wisdom and self-improvement niche, because it's amazing niche to make your content in YouTube or on social media. So here give me some wisdom, gives me a list of this one like philosophical wisdom, self-improvement, life lessons and stories, spiritual growth, decision-making, interpersonal wisdom, and so on and so forth, as you observe. So I just take enough of this one, and here I can specialize in one of these, like the wisdom in leadership or wisdom in relationship and so on. So I just select this one, the number 7, and give me some ideas to create my videos about this one. So give me ideas, give to create in the number 7, for example, like this wisdom in leadership. And just a matter of seconds, it gives me a lot of front ideas to create my content on social media and YouTube, as you observe. Motivating and inspiring teams, overcoming challenges as a leader, communication skills for leaders. It's an amazing topic, by the way. Building a personal brand as a leader, time management. All the ideas that cover this amazing sub niche. As for wisdom for leadership, perfect topics from Qwen 2.5. And now it's time to select one of these beautiful ideas, and I just go for this communication skills for leaders, like this one for example, and I just take this one, active listening, the most underrated skill for leaders. Copy. And now we can ask the amazing tool to give me a script to make a 1-minute long video for my YouTube channel or for social media, but about this topic. So I just type this prompt, pick, and don't, as you see, let's break down your script by timing. Perfect, as you observe, it's 1 minute exactly. And now it's time now to discover the new AI voiceover generator that would blow you away. That says nttsopenai.com. Yes, we all know that ChatGPT belongs to OpenAI, but we don't know that OpenAI released this amazing tool to convert your text to beautiful lifelike voiceover, and for sure for free. Here you can insert your topic as usual. So I can go back here and take the entire script here, copy and go to this one, ttsopenai.com, and insert here your input. And for sure we can remove this timing, this timestamps, because we don't need it. Okay, perfect. And here you can find a wide range of these voice actors in different languages. And as for here you can find 2 different sections. OpenAI voices, you can find Apple, Onyx, Chimel, and so on, or this one, system voices. Here you can find plenty of these amazing voiceovers, as you see. So for example, you can try one of them, like Lazy Neil, for example. Here,
Text-to-speech, OpenAI is a technology.
or Brian.
Text-to-speech, OpenAI is a technology.
So as for selecting one of these beautiful suitable voiceover for my wisdom YouTube channel, so I will try this one, Carl. Listen.
Text-to-speech, OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence.
It's similar to this voice here in this stoic pond
To use the profound understanding and
with a little modification. So here you can just set this one, voice over Carl, okay, and create your speech from this button. Here, success, so you can go to history and your voice over like this one.
Leadership isn't just about talking, it's about listening. And one of the most underrated skills a leader can have is active listening. What sets active?
Amazing, isn't it? And now you can click over this arrow to download this track. And now it's time to convert this audio and to make your own video on social media and for YouTube. And now we can make the way to this amazing website that is Jupiter.com. It's a new website that converts any audio to beautiful video, and we can call it this audiogram tool. And for sure it gives you a free plan here like this one. Here you can use this audiogram transcription that converts audio to video, gives you monthly 10 minutes as you observe. And for sure all your video assets from FACELESS.com for commercial use. So now we can sign up for free using any email or Gmail as you like. That's it, we can sign up with your email. Here you can insert your credentials, which is the following role best describes you. So I will select this one, content creator, quickly. And how often do your team create videos? I just select every day. And how do you hear about this one? So I can select this one, Google search for example, and you continue. Okay, and now you can find two options here. You can upload your talk and hit a video, or upload your audio to use our audiogram tool. Upload audio and give it name like leadership, active listening or something like that. And here dimensions, portrait to make your short video for social media or YouTube. Language, detected language, that's English, okay, and minutes to be used up to 2 minutes in your free plan. And now you can click over this button, continue. It starts to prepare your video, uploading your file, generating your subtitles, and adding your visuals or your video clips from FACELESS.com as for free plan for commercial purposes. And your video would be like this one. Play it.
Leadership isn't just about talking, it's about listening. And one of the most underrated skills a leader can have is active listening.
Perfect media from this video. And the best part here in Jupiter.com, here you can find in this left side, that's your script of your video. Thus here you can change anything, you can edit your words, add something as you like, and then it would be applied directly to your video script as you see. Then just you can download this video from this button, export, without any watermark, export with these resolutions and this media, and your video would be like this one.
Then practice active listening. Wait until they finish before responding. Next.
So for sure you can use amazing website to create your short videos in wisdom self-improvement niche, either on social media and YouTube, to get many views and subscribers. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.